Okay, so if you've decorated with farmhouse decor, you know the farmhouse wreaths are a must and they're a little pricey. So we're gonna make them ourselves for a lot cheaper than they're sold in the stores. So here's my daughter just helping mom out. I'm not sure how much of help she was. But we're just going to start with these greeneries from Walmart, which are 97 cents a bundle. I ended up using 4, I believe. We're going to cut off the leaves, and we're going to use the Dollar Tree styrofoam wreath form for $1, obviously. And we're just going to hot glue them around in a circle. I started at the top here, and then you're just going to make sure they go all in one direction in the farmhouse style. These are kind of tropical leaves, but they kind of remind me of magnolia leaves almost, so I think they'll work. But I believe I only used 4 bundles, and here is how I styled them on some little DIY shutters my husband made, and I went for like a farmhouse glam look. But if you have any questions, just comment. And this cost me probably a little less than $6. Thanks, guys.